Some days ago I had in Adobe Premiere an annoying problem. I was editing some video, I added some clips from my computer and also from my smartphone, and then I realized somehow when I jump to the smartphone clip to a specific time, it loads forever. It takes forever to play there, it's just stuttering. Then I found out what the problem is, and the good thing also I found a solution for it. So I'm here in Adobe Premiere, I have my clips. When I jump here, it goes really fast. And here I have my smartphone clip and I jump there, it takes some time to load. Or when I click play, it takes some time till it starts to play. Then I found the problem. When I go to project, I see here that the frame rate is 29.79. Sometimes it's 29.83, 84, 72. It's just fluctuating. It's switching all the time. The problem is the normal frame rate is 29.97, but my smartphone recorded with a variable frame rate, sometimes the 79, sometimes longer, because it wanted to provide as much performance, as much space saving as possible. Because the original format also, as I said, you can say here settings, it's 29.97. And Adobe Premiere has a problem when you want to playback there, that it is not able to determine, is it now 30 frames, 29 frames, what is it exactly, because it's switching all the times. To fix it, you just can select this clip, right click, modify, interpret footage, and now you see here it's 7938 even, so even more subdigits. You can now say assume this frame rate, 2997, click OK. I now need to remove the clip from the sequence because it was already used there with the original frame rate. I remove it, I put it there, place it, and if you see now, I'm here, it directly jumps to the other points, and when I make playback, it directly starts to play. So this is easy fix. That means if you have multiple files, you can even select it multiple times, modify, interpret footage, and set it to your 29.97 frame rate. So this fixed the problem for me complete. There was no stuttering, no lagging, no playback issues. It was working fine as I would have expected it. And if the video helped you, if you liked it, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new video.